Alright, my nest box is a little bit bigger than the old original ones. It's about 4 inches longer. It is 11 and a half inches wide from wood to wood because I couldn't fit it through the door. And 23 inches long because my rabbit is so much bigger than the rest. And she's killing all of them, all the babies.
Yeah, so tell them what you notice, like when she's delivering, what's happening.
When she's delivering, she is stepping on all of her babies because the box is, like I said, it's about 4 inches shorter. Well, her feet are about like that, about 5 inches long. So she's stepping on them, smushing them. So she's crushing her babies. So now we're gonna try a bigger box. I'm not gonna put the platform on the top so she can get up and get out of the way. When the babies start coming out of the box, then we'll go from there. If you notice on the box, I put a gap right here and right here. That way, whenever she's finished with her nest box, take it out, wash it out. You ain't got to worry about wood shavings getting stuck in the corners or nothing like that. All right, we don't use hay because it's like a rope. The baby rabbits are very moist. It goes around their neck, it strangles them, they can't move, it twists up and knots on them. So, yes, I don't use hay, I use wood shavings.
Her supersized nest box.
It's about as long as she is if she'd stretch out.
Good gracious, she is huge, isn't she?
Yep. Now she wants to put the brakes on.
Okay, so she literally is one of the biggest females that we have ever had. Compared to her, like, it's hard to get them comparison, but you can just tell, like, the height of her back, everything about her. Look at the width of her haunches, all right? So we had to create a bigger nest box for her. I mean, she's tremendous. I would say she's as big as our male breeding rabbit right here.
If not bigger.
If not bigger, yeah. Compared to this mama right here who had 11. I mean, she had 11 her last litter.
Yeah.
Yeah, and only 2 survived, guys, because we found them crushed. And then we realized, like, she cannot fit in the nest box. They're like this size nest box, she can't even fit in that. Like, it's not a possibility. So my husband literally created her a supersized nest box. So one size nest box does not fit all.
No, it doesn't. And I know that's a lot of shavings, but she'll get in there and stomp it down, dig some out, then she'll start putting her fur in.
Yeah.
Her hair, fur, whatever.
It's fur.
And she'll get it to where she likes it, and there'll be the babies.
Yeah. Can you put her in? Let's see if she fits. I mean, she's super pregnant too, so is there any other way, right? Oh, there we go. Yeah, so this box is going to fit her really well.
I don't know about that box yet.
She'll get used to it. It's all yours, Mama. Looks like a small coffin. It really does.
So there she is. There she's in this new next box. She should be having her kits next week. Got it wrote down on the calendar in the house. I don't know right offhand what day, but next week she's due. So
Yeah.
now she's got her nest box. She can get used to it. I say next week. It might be this weekend. I'm not for sure.
That's next week. I've written down, looked at it today.
But she can get used to her box anyways.
Yeah.
Normally we don't put them in until about 3 days before they have their babies, but I'm letting her get used to this new one.
Yeah. So like, comment, and subscribe.